I'm going to play a short piece, and after playing the piece, we're going to answer questions regarding three different components. Tempo, so whether the piece was slow, moderate, or fast, or was there any changes of tempo? Did it get slower? Did it get faster? Which part was slower? Which part was faster? The next question will be about dynamics. So whether I played loud or soft. Was the change of dynamics sudden or gradual? And the last question will regard articulation, and that means whether I played legato smoothly or staccato short detached notes. So listen carefully to these three components, and once I finish playing, we're going to discuss all of them. First question regarding the tempo. Was there any change of speed in the piece? The answer would be no. The piece was in steady tempo. The tempo was the same all the way through. Next question about dynamics. Was the dynamic change sudden or gradual? We'll repeat it one more time. Listen carefully. As you can hear very well, the change of dynamics was sudden, it was loud, and then suddenly it got softer, quieter. And the last question, which hand or which part played legato and which hand part played staccato note? So I'm going to play a short part of the piece. As you can hear, my right hand was playing legato notes, right hand was playing smooth without any breaks. And at the same time, left hand had a lot of staccato notes. So the answer would be right hand was playing legato smooth, left hand was playing staccato short detached notes. Now I'm going to play it one more time, and while I play it, your task will be to clap the pulse of the piece. What is pulse? Pulse is basically the beats of each bar. If, let's say, our piece has 3 beats in a bar, the pulse would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If we have 2 beats in a bar, pulse 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You don't have to start clapping straight away. I'm going to play, let's say, 2, 3 bars, and once you're sure what the pulse of the piece is, you can join by clapping it. If you're not sure where we have pulse, it's actually in our left hand. So if I play just right hand and tap the pulse, it would go like that. So no matter what's going on in terms of the rhythm, pulse is always the same. It's very steady, and that's what you have to clap while I'll play the melody. So I'm going to play it one more time and try clapping the pulse. I'm going to play a next short piece for you, and the same as with the previous one, after me playing, we're going to discuss 3 different things. So tempo, dynamics, and articulation. I explained all of them. If you're not sure what it is, just go back to the previous example, listen to my explanation, and now listen to the piece, and then we're going to discuss everything. regarding tempo. Did I play at the same speed all the way through? The answer would be no, because towards the end, the last part got much slower. I'm going to play the second half for you so you can hear the difference in speed. So again, the answer would be it got slower towards the end. Next question. Tell me about the dynamics of the piece. If you're asked a question like that, just say what you heard. So you can say that at the beginning it was loud, then it got suddenly softer, quieter. It was still quiet in the middle, and the ending was loud. Last question regarding articulation. Was the playing mainly legato or mainly staccato? So there was a few legato notes, but mainly I was playing staccato, so we were able to hear staccato notes. As you can hear, most of the notes are short, detached. There's a few legato notes, but if we're asked about was the playing mainly legato or staccato, the answer would be it was mainly staccato. Now, the same way as with the previous piece, I would like you now to join with the pulse. So again, you'll be asked to clap pulse of this piece. And first, maybe I'm going to tap the pulse here so you can listen. We have 2 beats in each bar, so the pulse is like that. What may be a little bit misleading is that in left hand we have steady notes, but it's actually not our pulse. These are quavers. There's a little bit more notes than beats. So where left hand has 4 quavers in a bar, the pulse is actually 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So no matter what rhythm you have in right hand, in left hand, pulse is always steady. I'm going to play it one more time. I'm going to play another piece for you. This time we won't discuss everything together. It will be your task to answer my questions. So listen carefully to tempo, dynamics and articulation. At what speed was the music played? Was it fast, slow, or in between? That's the first question. Next question, describe the dynamics of the piece. So say everything you can. Which part was loud, which part was quiet, were the changes gradual or sudden? And the last question, did you think the melody line was smooth or staccato? The melody line would be my right hand, that's where the melody was. So was that legato or was it staccato? I think it's quite easy to say. That was the first task. Now, the next task for you would be to join by clapping the pulse. Remember what pulse is? It's just our beats. We have a specific amount of beats in each bar. I can't tell you how many because that would kind of make it too easy for you. So after me playing 2-3 bars, just join by clapping the pulse. after you were clapping correct pulse, I'm going to play now the right hand and I'll be tapping the pulse. I'm going to play the last short piece for you, and again, as with the previous one, we won't be discussing everything together. Again, it's your task to answer the questions after my play. So, listen carefully. Tempo, dynamics, articulation. First question, was there any change of speed in my playing? A little hint, it got slower. Now it's your task to say, did it get slower at the beginning, at the end, or maybe in the middle? Next question, how would you describe the dynamic changes? Were the dynamic changes sudden or gradual? So, did I change it suddenly, which would be that's what sudden means, or was it gradual? Listen to the example one more time and answer this question. Now, the last question, would you say the articulation was mainly legato or mainly staccato?